When I was a kid, my dad would get the car out and say, hey, let's go for a ride. Usually it was on a Sunday, and we'd all go together. He'd probably determine the destination, and we'd go out for a couple hours in the car, maybe stop, maybe not, but get to see the countryside. And I've always liked taking a ride like that in the car. Hi everyone, it's Lynn again. How are y'all doing? It's such a pretty spring day here, and I've even got the water running on the front lawn. The butterflies are flying around. It's such a great day. I think I'm gonna take a ride. I've been wanting to go out 529, which goes straight west out into the countryside, because I know that the spring flowers are blooming. I want to take y'all along with me. You know, if you've been inside all this winter, it's spring now, and no matter where you're at, get yourself out, even if it's only into the backyard, and see what's going on out there. So let's take a ride. Vamos a dar un paseo. Okay, let's go. I don't know what these yellow trees that are in bloom right now are, but they are blooming all over and are just so beautiful out here. Here I am in downtown Belleville, Texas. What you see behind me is the courthouse. It's pretty interesting because it sits on a roundabout or circle, and the highway goes around it, completely around it. When I make it over to Belleville, it's good to have a destination. This is the Belleville Meat Market. I've come here a few times. It's actually pretty upscale inside, but I think I'll see what I can find and pick up a little bit of meat. I brought a cooler with some ice in it. So we're right here at the intersection of two highways, 529, and I'm not sure what this one is from the south. So we've got a lot of highway noise. it back from my drive today out to Belleville and back, and I want to show you what I got at the Belleville Meat Market. So I got a pack of summer sausage. Here I've got Link sausage. It's plain. Last time I got it was garlic, and most of the others are spicy. So I'm gonna see how this plain works. So I hope y'all like this little drive we took today, and I hope if you like it that you'll give a like to the video, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do that as well. Thank you all so much for stopping by. We'll see you soon. Nos vemos. Adios.